This is a fabric laminated roller shade using room darkening shade cloth. It's powered by a wire-free tubular motor with attached wand control. R-TEC Automation by Rowley. Hi, I'm Donna Cash, and I'm going to show you how to assemble R-TEC Automation shade motors by Rowley. This is a wire-free tubular motor with attached wand control. The wand plugs into the receptacle on the bottom of the motor and simply clips on. The wand has a universal mini USB charging port and is available in 3 lengths, 24, 36, and 48 inches. It requires a wall charger and a USB cable. You'll need to charge the battery 6 hours before the first use. To assemble the motor, you're going to need a screwdriver, the motor, the drive set, and a motor adapter. First, remove the plate that has the clip for the wand from the end of the motor. We need these screws to attach the motor adapter. Place the motor adapter on the end of the motor, lining up the holes. Once we've got the holes lined up, then we're ready to put the second screw in. Now we're ready to attach the drive set. I'm going to take this and slide it onto the motor, and making sure that I've got the groove lined up with the motor. And then we'll take this and place it on the other end of the motor. And last, we'll take the clip and clip it onto the end of the motor. Now our motor is ready to insert into the tube. The inside of the tube has channels, which we are going to carefully line up when we insert the motor into the tube. So I'll make sure that I've got this lined up with the grooves and slide the motor into the tube. And then when I come to this end, make sure that everything is lining up again. There we go. We've got one end. And now we're going to take the pin end and slide that in, lining up everything carefully. And with that, we have our tube with the wire-free tubular motor with attached wand control ready to attach to a shade. Place your brackets on the board before inserting the tube. Place the end of the tube with the end pin into the bracket first. Squeeze the end pin and place the other end of the motor into the bracket. And then you're ready to attach your shade.